How's everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. And as you guys can see here, we are on the inside of our 2025 GMC Sierra AT4, and we're going to kind of go through some of these developer options, which are going to allow you guys to play around with the settings a little bit and kind of really customize the functionality of your truck and the infotainment screen. So we're going to start off by going to the home button. So you guys want to hit the home button first. As you can see, we're on the home page. You want to scroll over to your settings, and you can see we're in settings. You're going to want to hit system, which will bring you all these options. You see about Android 12. You want to click on that, and then as you guys can see, it has a few options here, and then you see build number. So you guys are going to want to click this about 7 times. I've already done it, so you'll see a message pop up saying, you know, you're not allowed. You want to click that about 7 times. As you can see, I'm already a developer. So once you do that, it will enable the developer options. So you're pretty much just going to want to go back to that home page, scroll all the way down, and as you guys can see, there's developer options, which you're going to press on. And then it opens up this whole page of little, neat things you can do. So we're just going to go through a few of them. As you guys can see, we'll just scroll through, and I'll show you guys kind of the important ones. Well, what I think is important, or what I've done. So you're pretty much just going to want to scroll down. As you guys can see, there are literally every single option. You can pretty much customize anything in here. So I would say the first one would be the maximum connected Bluetooth audio devices. As you guys can see, it's 1, but you can change that to, up to 5. So pretty much just by clicking that, you can change it. The next one I would go to is the animation scale. So this is going to make your screen a little bit quicker in between animations, like switching between different screens. So you want to set that to 0.5. As you guys can see there, set them all to 0.5. Will make your screen a little bit snappier. So you can see they're all on 0.5. And then we're going to want to, what I like to do is also adjust the width. So as you guys can see here, we have the smallest width, which is pretty much the width of this screen here, which we can adjust. So we are going to click on that. And then you guys can see it'll pop up with a keypad. I'm gonna go back and change that to, you can pretty much change it to whatever you want, but I'm gonna put in 1280. Press OK, and you guys will see that your screen has now gotten larger. So that screen has now gotten bigger just by doing that. And then those are pretty much the important ones, I would say, or what I find important. But you guys can come through here and pretty much customize anything and everything. So I definitely recommend you just come through here and see if anything else catches your attention. But those will kind of be the important ones for me. So if you guys did enjoy the video, please drop a like. Very easy to do, very easy to, kind of change some of the settings, little, things that people don't know, I guess. Who knew you could have got into developer options? But if you guys did enjoy the video, please drop a like. Also comment down below on what you've changed, and please subscribe as well, and we'll see you guys in the next video.